Hey! In front of me is Motorola Defy, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this Motorola smartphone. Firstly, you need to locate calendar and then click on it. Now click on this icon at the bottom right corner and select Got It. Following that, you need to tap on the month above and pick a date. When you're ready, create your event by choosing this plus icon at the bottom right corner and selecting Event. Now adjust it however you want to. For example, add a title to it. Over here, you can select starting hour and ending one. If you don't want to do that, you can always disable this feature completely by clicking on this switcher next to All Day. Now tap on Does Not Repeat and select one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example, every year. If you don't, just select Does Not Repeat. Now you can change color of your event, stop notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before, add attachments, take notes, and even select Add Location, pick while using the app or only this time, type in an address, and click on the correct one. To save your event, just save at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. But you can always edit it by clicking on it, tapping on this pen icon at the top right corner and making your changes. Then click on Save again. If you wish to get rid of your event though, you need to click on it again, but this time select those three dots at the top right corner instead, choose Delete and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!